Hello students, we already seen lesson number 2, the thief story. In first video that we show, there had two friends. The first name is Anil and the second name, which was the lied name of a person, was Hari Singh. Actually, Hari Singh was not a real name of that particular person. He changed his name day by day. He changed his name after one incident because he was basically a thief, and that's why he has to change his name. He has to change his place also. He wanted to rob Anil at a time, and that's why he came there to be a Hari Singh at that place. He lived with him. He also told to Anil that I will not take any money. It means I will not take salary. I will do work for you and I will not take a salary. I will cook for you. I can do all your household work. But don't give me salary. Just give me food and a place to live in your house. Day by day, Hari Singh also taught how to write names of him because he was an illiterate person. He taught from Anil. Actually, he learned from Anil that how to write, how to do numbers, how to count numbers, and then he became literate after some time. One day he wanted to take some money from Anil. Actually, Anil's book was published at that time, and some money was given by the publisher, given by the author to Anil at that time, and Anil put the money before the under the pillow at that time, and he want to take that money from Anil, and then he make a plan that I want to take this money. If he can take that money or not, that we will see into this video. Let's start the lesson that how he take the money or not. Page number 10. Read. And then Anil was asleep when he won't make a plan. At that time he was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. At that time he went onto the balcony and then he saw that on the bed. I set up the floor considering the situation. At that time he set up all the floor and make a plan with himself that how he stolen the money at that time. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Actually, he made a plan that after taking the money, he want to go away at Lucknow, another city, because I already told you that he was thief and he changed city and name after one incident, after one thief. So he make a plan in his mind that after 10:30, I will go to Lucknow in the train and take the money. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept on the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scar. At that time he saw that Anil was sleeping very peacefully at the midnight, and there was a clear face of his. There is no mark of any scar on his face. Actually, he compared his face and Anil's face. Anil's face was clear, but Hari Singh's face was marked with many scars. Actually, he was injured in this thieving, and that's why there are many scars on his mouth. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the note. At that time, he know that where the money is, and that's why he put his arm under the mattress. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. When he found that the money was there, then he taken out without a sound, without any noise. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned to his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out the room. At that time, Anil take a slide in sleeping only, and I started crawl. Do you know what is crawled? લસડીને જવું, પેટની સપાટી પર જવું without making a noise, as you saw that how the snake is going. At the same way, without make noise, without our leg, as we go, it is called crawled. લસરીને જવું, સપાટી પરથી જવું. When I was on the road, he taken the money and went on the road. At that time, I began to run. I had knots on my waist, held there by stealing on my pajama. He taken all out money and money put on the pajama pocket. I slowed down on walk and counted the note, 600 rupees in 15s. At that time he counted the note and the amount was almost 650 rupees. It was not big amount, but for him it was big amount. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. At that time he was thinking that I will become a very rich person for a week or a 2 week, because he got 650 rupees at that time. When I reached the station, I did not stop the ticket office but dashed straight to the platform. At that time he went to the platform only without ticket. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. At that time the train just started. The train had still to pick up speed. As you know that when the train started, at that time the speed is not as much as they gone outside of the station. So we can catch the train if we want at that time when the train is on the platform. So he want to catch the train because the train is slow at that time. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one carriage. But I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. At that time he cannot catch the train. He could not catch the train. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Why the deserted word is there? Do you know what is desert? Run area. Actually, for far area you cannot see anything. It is called deserted area. So in this platform there is no seeing anything. There was no around, no one around, nothing was around to him, and that's why the deserted word is used here. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friend, believing that friends were more trouble than help. He has no friend in this town, and that's why if the friend he found, then they will not help him at that time, because he stolen the money from someone, and that's time no honest man could help him. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of small hotel near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. In the whole town, the only person known him, and the person was Anil, who just robbed by his so-called friend Hari Singh at that time. And he don't want to go there, because if he go there, Anil found him that he stolen my money and his belief is not mine. He betrayed his trust at that time. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friend, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one or small hotel near the station. The only person I knew really was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. At that time he left the station and went on to the market. It means bazaar word. Bazaar, it means Latin word that is used here in New English. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's face. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show always a touch of sadness, not for the lost money but for the lost trust. Actually, to whomever he robbed till there, he experienced many things. He said that if I robbed any greedy man, he had a fear that, oh, he take my money. As you know that how was the greedy men are there. Then rich man showed anger because his money went out. That's why they are anger and quote to police the person, the thief at that time. Poor man showed acceptance. If he robbed any poor man, it means poor man accept that, oh, it is my luck, like that. they forgive him, their sadness only. But I knew that Anil's face, at that time he reminded the Anil's face what he behaved, how he behaved at that time when he come to know that my good friend betrayed my trust, my good friend broke my trust, how he felt at that time. So he assumed the face that at that time he cannot trust on anyone else if he found him that his good friend robbed him. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly, actually that was winter, and that's why chilly word is used there. It means very cold. Thijavi denar thandi. It is like that. It was early November and light diesel added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. Raining, it means here snow rain. As you know that in the foreign country, the snow falling during the winter season. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, and cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to bazaar and sat down on shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the note. They were damp from the rain. At that time, it was almost raining started. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. But now I had it all. Till there, Anil give him some money to go and see a movie. I will give 2 rupees, I will give 3 rupees. Sometimes Anil give money to Hari Singh to go and see the movie. But if he found that I stolen his money, he will not give me any money more. I couldn't cook his meal, run to bazaar to learn and write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them excitement to the theft, whole sentences. At that time, he had a greediness that I find the money. At that time, he forgot everything. And even he forgot to write sentences which was taught by Anil at that particular time. I knew could one day bring me more than few hundred rupees. It was simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a real big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only learn to read and write. At that time, he decided that I will go to Anil back and told him that now I want to read and write. Just taught me how to read, how to write. I don't want anything. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than return to undetected. It is very easy if you speak lie to someone, but it is very difficult when you speak truth to someone. So it is like that. It is very easy to stolen money at that time, but it is very difficult to return back at that time, particular time, to put back at that time. I opened the door quietly, then I stood the doorway and clouded the moonlight. Anil was still asleep. It was almost midnight and Anil was sleeping at that time. I crept to the head and bed, and my head came up the notes. I felt the breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute, then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. At that time he put the money back under the mattress. I awoke late next morning, find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hands toward me. There was a 50 rupees note between his finger. My heart stank. I thought I had been discovered. At that time, when in the next morning Anil gave him 50 rupees, and when he found that Anil gave me 50 rupees, at that time the one heartbeat was stopped at that time, and he assumed that, he imagined that if he find him caught at that time. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. At that time he said that I take some money and now I will pay to you. Without salary he want to work for till there. Now he has money, so he want to pay his salary to him, and the salary was 50 rupees per month at that time. My spirit rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we will start writing sentence, he said. At that time Anil also said to him that today we will start to write sentence. Till there he write there only words. Now they write to sentence also. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Actually, Anil come to know that he stolen the money and go from there and come back and put the money back. Everything known by the Anil at that time. But he didn't say anything. He just closed his lips at that time and didn't say any word to Hari Singh. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. And the elation was written by Ruskin Bond, a very good author of Indian. So here we completed our lesson number 2. In next video we will go ahead about our new lesson. Have a nice day.